Have you ever wondered why modern day farmers prefer planting in the greenhouses than in the open field? Join me in this video as I'll be revealing to you 5 benefits of greenhouse farming. The modern day greenhouse is an enclosed frame structure that is used for the production of fruits, vegetables, flowers, and any other plants that require special conditions of temperature. Greenhouse farming may be an option to consider in order to make the most of your income and help preserve the environment at the same time. The first benefit on our list is the climate control. Greenhouse helps in protecting plants from extreme weather conditions. It also allows precise control over temperature, humidity, and light. This not only enhances crop yields, but also enables the cultivation of crops that might struggle in the local climate. The second on our list is the water conservation. Greenhouses promote efficient water use through advanced irrigation systems. The closed-loop system helps reduce water waste, making it an environmentally friendly choice in regions facing water scarcity. Thirdly is the pest management. The greenhouse is a safe haven for plants. It reduces the accessibility of insects and animals that have the potential to damage or destroy your plants. This helps create healthier and good quality produce every harvest. Maximizing profit. Studies suggest that profits per crops can be 2 to 3 times bigger when executing greenhouse farming technique instead of the open field agriculture. By utilizing resources more efficiently, you can create less waste, which can translate into bigger profits. Finally, year-round growing. A greenhouse is a relatively independent climate-controlled space, allowing growing of crops all year round instead of just seasonally. Even in the harsh cold or the intense heat or summer, high-quality crops can be grown, provided you have the necessary tools to create the right climate inside the greenhouse. If you're a farmer, greenhouse farming may be an option for you to consider in order to make the most of your income and help preserve the environment at the same time. There are definitely some challenges, but if you're considering a career in sustainable agriculture, then there is no better place than the greenhouse farming.